guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, by the title and the thumbnail, you already see what we are going to. So guys, without getting monetized on YouTube, you can still make money. Guys, this actually works for you. And if you do this 3 step I'm going to be talking about in this video, so guys, this will actually work for you if you try this out. An example of content creator, this will actually work for Queen Style. Yes, her. You need to go watch our video. Recommended. She explained it on a fashion niche. I'm going to be sharing 3 steps you can do this and make money without getting monetized on YouTube. So guys, the 10th step is the key step. So make sure you watch the end. The 10th step is the key step. I'm not joking. This 10th step, you need to implement it in the video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part. You understand what I'm saying? So step 1, create a video talking about your products. Either is cloth niche, digital niche, any type of niche, etc. You understand what I'm saying? Just create a video talking about the products you sell on YouTube Shorts. You understand? Just create a short video concerning the video and niche you are coming from. You understand what I'm saying? Step 2, make sure your IG handle, very important, is showing on your screen. You understand me? Like when doing the shot, after finish doing the shot, edit it, then your IG handle must be showing on the screen so that people can contact you or message you. You understand what I say? Either it's physical product or digital products, they talk about it. You understand? Kids, Style explain all this on our YouTube video. Guys, I recommend that video. Make sure to check it out. So the 10th step I'm going to be sharing with you guys, you need to implement this step. The 10th step, always use hashtag when posting the videos. Hashtag like let me say you are on clothing niche. You need to use hashtag like fashion, hashtag style, hashtag cloth, hashtag clothing. This will actually make your video recommended for the people you are bringing interest to. You understand what I'm saying? So guys, those are my 3 steps. If there's anything you want to know more about, please just let me know in the comment section down below, guys. And please, you won't want to miss this like coming up video, so make sure you subscribe. You understand? This video gets to 1,000 likes, I'm going to be revealing the secret on how I made money from TikTok without even getting 0 followers, with less than 100 followers. So guys, make sure you like this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.